and back. March it out right here. March. Woo. We're almost there. We've got one more move to teach you. It's called the hip shake and shimmy. It's really easy. We're going to go right to tempo. Most important thing is to stay low and just shake your hips and have fun. Are you guys ready to show them? Yes. All right, here we go. We shake it to the right, left. Stay low. Now take it around. Shimmy those hips as your arms come up. Give me a clap and left side. There you go. Now take it around. Shimmy those hips as your arms come up and march it out on the right. Great job. Wasn't that fun? Yeah. All right, we're going to do that again. Not yet. In 4, 3, 2, hip shake and shimmy. It's right side. Now take it around. Shimmy those hips as your arms come up